Good morning YouTube and the internets. Today I'm doing a handful of things, but in this video that I'm recording this intro for, we're simply going to do a quick diagnostics check on this Ford Ranger. The battery light's on, and I've actually done all the diagnostics already, and I'm recording this after the fact. There's nothing wrong with it. The light is showing for a reason I can't tell, but if you watch you'll see how to find the OBD2 port, how to plug in your scanner, and how to run a quick scan on one of these King Chrome jobbies here, which I bought to troubleshoot the Falcon and it failed miserably at, but it has functioned perfectly in the Mini and now in this. This is the OBD2 port location behind this panel. If it's a left-hand drive, it's in the same location relative to the steering wheel. So if it's a left-hand drive car, it's on the far left. It's on the right-hand drive car, it's on the far right, adjacent to the bonnet release. So let's have a look. Plug in my reader. Let it load. Let's see. Battery. It's currently storing 12.4 volts. Let's start it. It is producing 14 volts. And looky here, the light has gone out. In the 6 weeks I've had this car, that light did disappear for 2 days before it came back. And it's just come back now. It's behind the blue bar there on the tacker. It's still producing about 14 volts. So I don't know why it's doing that. At least that's what the ECU is seeing. I'm just going to grab my multimeter very quickly and verify that voltage. That's jammed in there, hopefully it's good enough. Pretty much verifies what the reader is saying. That wire is a bit bent, but it is seeing current on the other side of it. So, look at this. This is the main feed from the alternator, yep. All good. So the light's on because, I don't know, but there's definitely no issue with the charging. I'll just look for codes, but there's no engine light, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. I might make this its own quick video and do a pure oil change video. Actually, that's exactly what I'm going to do. You would have been able to tell at the start of this video by how short it is. It's not the oil change, or I will re-record an intro. That's what I'll do. So anyway, we're going to select check engine. We're going to turn the ignition off because we don't need it on. We do need it on ignition though. Yeah. So quick scan. And yes, this is an old work ute. It's this business. Oh, we've got a green tick. Code's found 0. Previous data is from the Mini, so yes, let's delete. Yeah, that was stored on here. Engine control module, transmission control module. Neither of those interest me. Yes, I am sure. I'm going to have a quick look at the battery with the engine off. I mean, it's storing 12.7-ish. Which is about right. It's a 12 volt battery. Maybe it could do with a little more. This is a turbo diesel, but it is only 2.2 litre, so that's good. So no codes and voltage is good. I got no idea why that light's on, but it's good to know that it's not about to cause any problems. So that's how to run a quick diagnostic scan, I suppose, on a Ford Ranger, and where to put the port in, where you find the port if you've got a scanner. Now, guess I'll stop this video and start a new one for the oil change.